Custard Sharbat. Add half liter of water. Let it get heat. So in this, I'm adding strawberry flavor and all the ingredients. In the same pack too, we'll get this one also. Now let it cool for 1 minute. We'll prepare another flavor also. Hot water, same measurement, 500 ml water. Now I am adding mango flavor. Off the flame. Pour the mango water. Refrigerate for 45 minutes. Okay. I'll refrigerate this and take another bowl. Sabza seeds. Add water. Okay. Soak for 30 minutes. Now we'll start the remaining process. On the flame, take a bowl, add little water, half liter of milk, let it come for a boil, add sugar, now the sugar is melted. At this stage we will add the custard mixture. Vanilla custard mixture. The consistency should be like this. Now off the flame and let it cool completely. So now the custard is completely cooled. At this stage we'll add sabza seeds. Soaked sabza seeds and soaked sabza seeds. Okay, now okay. Take 2 glasses, add some jellies, and custard. Vanilla ice cream.